In today's video I will show a total of 4 different applications you can download and use to earn free PayPal money passively without you doing anything, without you doing surveys, without you completing tasks or offers. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Because the more apps you download and install to your mobile device, the more money you make. What's up you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing, because I'm uploading videos where I will teach you how to make some extra money online for free. Without any waste of time, let's jump into our today's topic. So for today's video we're going to start from the lowest paying app that will go all the way to the highest paying app. Number 4, it's an app called Mcmoney. So this how Mcmoney look like. So what you're going to do on this app right here is that you're going to earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. So these are the 4 steps you're going to take for Mcmoney to get started. 1. Download the APK on your phone. 2. Proceed the installation. 3. Register your phone number. 4. Receive SMS and make money. What is Mcmoney? By letting them send text messages to your mobile phone, you allow the company to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help them help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your Mcmoney bank. Real money. How to earn money with Mcmoney. Download the Mcmoney app on your Android phone. Follow the registration process. Any questions? Read the FAQ. Verify your phone number and you're all set. They will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received test message adds money to your balance. Cash out any time after you hit the threshold. Mcmoney is an Android-only app, because Android allows them to process the results of the SMS test messages they send to your phone. Mcmoney is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. If you're interested in this app, don't worry, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download this app. With that being said, let's move on to app number 3. It's an app called Lifecoin. So this is how Lifecoin look like. So what you're going to do on this app right here is that you're going to be paid to walk. The good thing about this app, it's available for both Android and iOS devices. So with Lifecoin, all you're going to do is that you're simply get paid to walk, and all you got to do is just simply walk every single day like you normally do, and you can get paid using this app right here. And all you have to do, set it up and let it run in the background on your mobile phone, and you're simply going to be rewarded PayPal money for doing just that. Your Lifecoins can be exchanged for gift cards, sporting goods, and more. They are always adding new items, so check daily to see latest prizes. If you want to download this app, don't worry, I will leave a link in the description box below. Number 2, it's an app called Sweatcoin. It's another app that allows you to track your steps as far as walking, and a lot of these apps usually don't pay you anything, but there's one that is highly rated, well reviewed, that pays you for this. One of the good ones is Sweetcoin. With Sweatcoin you can also exercise at home or outside and be rewarded with Sweatcoins. Sweetcoin's activity tracker will let you keep track of your progress, counting steps and monitoring your exercising activity. With Sweatcoin you will be able to redeem offers for free thanks to their marketplace with exclusive discounts and products. Whether you want to get in shape, lose weight, you can use Sweatcoin on your smartphone, Android or iPhone. If you want to download and try this, don't worry. I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download this app. Number 1, the last but not least, it's an app called Honeygain. So this how Honeygain look like. So what you're going to do on this app right here is that you're going to get passive income online effortlessly. With Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. You can download and use this app for both Android and iOS devices. It also available on both App Store and Google Play Store. Now you might not believe that this app is legit, but you can see right here over almost 2,000 reviews on Trustpilot, 4 out of 5 stars, which means lot of people are making money from this app. So these are the 5 steps you're going to take for Honeygain to get started. Step 1. Set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android device with a stable internet connection. Step 2. Run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Step 3. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that's publicly available online. Step 4. Help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Step 5. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payouts in PayPal or BTC. This is how much you can expect to make on the monthly basis with Honeygain. As you can see right here, estimated earning. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain's network. So the more you share, the more you will continue to earn with Honeygain. Don't worry, if you want to join this app, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to download this app, and you will get a $5 welcome bonus when you use the link in the description box below. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section below to let me know which one of these apps you're going to use. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.